Okay, now in that video, can somebody raise their hand and tell me what you saw?
I think it was Milky Way.
Yeah. What about you? Okay.
The sun
The sun.
go so it's sunny and it's dark.
Dark, right. And what was in the sky? Yeah.
Stars
Stars. Stars in the galaxy. Now, these stars, okay, in the galaxy, there are millions and billions and trillions of stars in the galaxy. Okay? And so, when you thought of that biggest number that you've ever, think of the biggest number you can, did this number come to mind?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I got 8.
Anybody have a guess how big that number is? Eric.
Trillions.
Close?
1 million trillions.
Close. It's 1 billion trillion.
1
Okay?
billion.
And that's approximately, okay, that's about how many stars
Like a
we have in
quarter?
our universe, okay?
A quarter of it?
No, that's about how many we have, okay? So this number right here we see, okay, that's written in standard form. Okay? That's what we would call standard form. Now, do you think that's pretty hard to write all of those numbers?
Yeah.
Right. So if we put this in a multiplication problem, it would look like that.
No.
1 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10.
That's
Anybody have a guess how many tens are in that? You say
either 20 or 30.
close. 20 is very close. Eric.
21.
21. Yeah, you're really close. There are 21 tens, okay? 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. Now, this, I think it was Kylie who said, this is much harder to write, okay? So, mathematicians, they figured out a way that we could write it even quicker, okay? And this is called exponential form, okay? And that's what it looks like. That is exponential form. 10 to the 21st. Exponential form. Now, this is a little confusing because it's 10 to the 21st. Does anybody have a guess what 21 represents? Kylie.
How many tens there are?
Yes. There's 21 tens here, so we do 10 to the 21st power. All right? So this is what it looks like. Okay, and I want everyone to get your journal out, please. Your math journal.
I got a question.
Yes.
So how do we know there's 21 tens out of the zeros?
That's a good question. I'm not going to because it's the same thing.
Wait, you mean this one?
Yeah, your math journal, yep.
Do we open it in this page?
Yep, a new page, brand new page. All right, everyone. On the top of your math journal, you have a brand new page. I want you to write this, okay? Exponential quotient. Ashley and Emmanuel, after you're done, can you come up here for me? To pass out some things. Each person, just each person needs one of these. And each person needs one of these.
Okay.
See that for me? Each person needs one of these. Each person needs one of these. Okay, Ashley and Emmanuel are passing around some words that we're going to learn about today, okay? So while they're passing around, I want you guys to pay attention up here. So when I showed you that number, 10 to the 21st power, who has a guess as to what 10 is called? Anybody? Yes, Eric.
Exponential.
Go. close. Lincoln. What? Exponent? No, exponent's a different number. Eric?
Exponential.
No. Here, okay. I know, this is a new word for you guys, okay? It's called a base. So everyone say that with me. Base, okay?
Base.
So this number, 10, is the base. So in this exponent, exponential notation, the number, the big number, not the little number, is called the base. Yeah, the extra piece right there. So what I want you to do in your journal, everyone has a glue stick, right? I want you to take that 10 to the 6th, and you're going to glue it in the middle of your journal, okay? You're going to glue it in the middle of your page. You can grab another glue stick, yeah. So go ahead, glue the 10 in the very middle of the page, right there.
Actually, I didn't get a.
I'll tell you what to do with that one later.
I didn't get a. Your best friend.
Everybody understand? You got it?
No, not yet.
Not yet?
in the middle of the page. Oh, actually, nice blue stick.
After you're done gluing your 10 to the middle of the page, 10 to the 6th, okay, after you're done gluing your 10 to the 6th, I want you to take your little word base. Does everyone have that little word? And you're going to glue it next to your 10, okay? You're going to glue it right here. Here's my base. And you're going to point an arrow to the 10.
Put it onto the 10.
You can still glue it right here. Yep.
And then we put an arrow.
Put an arrow to the 10.
Since I'm used
If you need to, you can circle the 10 too. So everyone said that. So can somebody tell me what is the base in this exponential notation? 100. 10. Thank you. So that is what the base is. It's the biggest number, the big number in an exponent. Does everyone have that glued down?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Anybody have a guess what the 6 represents? Lincoln?
How many times did you do it?
How many times you do it? Right. 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. We have a word for this. What do you think the word is? Eric?
Exponent.
Exponent, right. If this is your exponent. The 6 is your exponent. So you guys should have a little exponent, right? You can glue that by your 6, okay? And draw an arrow to that 6. Now, usually when I say we have 10 to the 6th, I don't say 10 to the 6th exponent normally. We have another word for 6. What do you think it is? Yes, it is. So, underneath your exponent, after you've glued it on and drawn an arrow, I want you to put in parentheses power, okay? So we have 10 to the 6th power. Okay, so what does this little 6 represent? Anybody? Say power. Power, right. And now, when we're looking at this exponential notation, we know that 10 is the base, right? So this is going to be a power of, what do you guys think? Yes.
6.
No. Power of,
Exponent.
no, it's a number.
Oh, 10.
Power of 10, okay? So this is a power of 10, and that's what we're going to be focusing on with exponents. Exponents and the power of 10. Power of 10. Okay? So Lincoln kind of touched on this, okay? The 6 represents how many times 10 is getting multiplied by itself, okay? So I'm going to show you guys what this looks like, and you're going to write it in your journal. But first, I'm going to show you. So when it says 10 to the 6, it means 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, okay? 10 times 10 times 10 times 10